Holy smokes. Topic 2 review here. Problem number 2. Topic 2 review. Means this is 2.8.2. And there are 4 parts. Holy smokes. Chance of me getting all those right or recorded in one video. So this is going to be 1 left, 3 down. That's my vertex then. My vertex will be at 1 left, 3 down, but a stretch factor of 2. So it's still opening up because it's positive. All right. And I think we're supposed to just put this on the graph to start with. So click on the graph, parabola. This one looks like it's the other kind of graph. It's got the point for the vertex and 1 point for another point. So we'll go, let's let that scroll down. 1 left, 3 down. And then I think I've told you before or showed you, normally a parabola, it goes over 1 and up 1 for the first point. If you were just doing a plain parent graph of x squared, because 1 squared would be 1. But when you have that 2 out front, that means you're going to double it. So for your first point away from the vertex, over 1 up 2, I'll set my second point. And let's check that one. All right, and moving on, my axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is always a vertical line on a parabola that goes through the vertex. It's the line that splits it right down the middle. Hopefully you remember us also talking about on a vertical line, that's always going to be x equals some number because the x values here on this point are always the same. It's kind of backwards. Vertical is x equals, a horizontal line is y equals, because the y number of the ordered pair is always the same. So you're going to come over here, and that means I'm assuming they still need the equation x equals. So x equals, and I believe we said -1. Whoops, not plus, equals -1. X equals -1. Check that then for our axis of symmetry. Fantastic. And the domain. So the x values here, where do you see the x values? They go forever to the left because of parabola, and forever to the right. So it's actually any number. So for my domain here, I'm going to use their order pair button. It's not really an order pair. Oops, I'm not in the box anymore. And then I need a negative infinity to the left, always left to right, to a positive infinity on the right. I don't think that was in the box, and I've had that get marked wrong before. There we go. So that's everything for my domain. And then the range is the y. I think I've probably talked before about, for me, when I'm doing the y, I have to consciously tell myself, remember, if we're talking about y here, it's the vertical, but it's always smallest number on the left. Might be a square bracket, I think, on this one. And then smallest, and if you're doing vertical, that means think low to high. So what's the smallest this goes down to here? The -3 on the y value. And what's the highest it goes up to? And that would be up to infinity. And so that's everything we need in this problem, I believe. So let's go ahead and type that in. Again, we needed a square bracket on the left. I'll risk it here with the keyboard buttons typing it. And it goes down to, we said, low to high for the range, the y values. -3 is the lowest point, comma. The highest it went up to was my infinity button here. And infinities are always a parenthesis because you can never hit them or equal them. Let's check it and see how we did. Well done. And so I think that wraps up that problem. Hopefully that helps you out. Whatever you do, don't give up, keep after it. You can do this.